This question says, what is the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number? As already discussed, the smallest 4-digit number, how will you arrive at the smallest 4-digit numbers? So 4-digit number will have 4 places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So the smallest 4-digit number will be 1 and then putting in 0 at the other places. So this is a 4-digit number: 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Now it is asking you what is the predecessor. Now what is predecessor? Predecessor means which comes just before. Let me write it down, because you have to know each and every concept, the meaning of each and every word, so that you should be able to understand and answer questions properly. So predecessor, Predecessor. Predecessor means just before, and the opposite of predecessor is successor, which means just after. Please remember to make sure that you understand and you know the meaning of these two terms before you go for tests. So predecessor means just before, successor means just after. For example, if you take one number, suppose 8, just before comes 7 and after 8 comes 9. So 7 is the predecessor of 8 and 9 is the successor of 8. So this is the predecessor of 8, 7 is the predecessor of 8 and 9 is the successor of 8. So now coming to our question, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and predecessor means just before. So just before 1000 will be 1 less than 1000. So if you carry out the subtraction, 10 minus 1 is going to be 9, just 9, so 9, and we will remain with 0. So the answer is 999. So the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number is 999, which is the greatest 3 digits number. Please look at this particular solution like this also. Predecessor of smallest 4-digit number will be the greatest 3-digit number, because the options may be in any form, so you should be able to understand an answer, because the answer may contain an option like this also. Okay, so the answer will be 999. I am taking a little bit of more time to answer these questions to make you understand, but in real exam you should be able to do these things as fast as possible, and this speed can be increased by practicing more and more. There are various websites available where you can practice, and there are some questions for practice in my website decodmonk.com also. You may visit there and practice certain papers. If our videos and website www.decodmonk.com helped you in any way, you may thank me by subscribing to my channel and clicking the like button. Please remember to share the videos so as to help other fellow students like you. For queries, please comment here or through contact page of our website decodmonk.com. And above all, thank you for your patience.